Hastashilpa Heritage Village. It's a museum located in Udupi. It is an unique and peaceful place where you can step into the past and see how life was in Karnataka many years ago. You will see traditional homes with red tiled roofs, wooden pillars, and carved doors that reflect the craftsmanship of our ancestors. Inside these heritage homes, you will find old furniture, utensils, and tools that were used in daily life. Each house tells a story of how people lived, their customs, and their way of life. These displays make you appreciate the effort and skills that went into making even simple things in the past. One of the best things about Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is how peaceful and calm it feels. The village has a soothing vibe that makes you want to slow down and enjoy every moment. It's a place where you can take your time to learn and connect with the roots of Karnataka's history. The founder of the museum, Vijaynath Shenoy, was very passionate about Indian heritage. He traveled across Karnataka and other parts of India to collect old traditional houses and cultural items that represent our history. Instead of letting these structures fall apart or get destroyed, he relocated and restored them inside the museum. It is like a small village created to preserve and display the traditional heritage, art, and culture of Karnataka. This museum has many old, beautifully restored houses and structures that show different architectural styles. These homes were originally from different parts of Karnataka but were carefully moved here and rebuilt, keeping their original design intact. As you walk around, you can explore different aspects of Karnataka's culture. It's like taking a time machine back to the olden days. If you visit Udupi, this museum is must see. It's a great place for families, students, or anyone who loves history and culture. You will leave with a deeper understanding of Karnataka's heritage and a sense of pride in our traditions. Thank you for watching Gritty Vlogs. If you have enjoyed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Stay real, stay gritty. Until then, bye bye, take care.